Hi guys, welcome back to Income Grinders. My name is Eric and let's get started with this video, which is about answering the question about what is a domain extension. I've already put up a bunch of videos related to domains and domaining and all kinds of stuff related to affiliate marketing and online businesses and all that. So this question, what is a domain extension, could be answered by just saying that it's the last part of a domain name. For example, in my domain, incomegrinders.com, the domain extension for this domain name is .com, the dot character and the com part. So you can also see that domain extensions are commonly referred to as TLDs, which stands for top level domains. So domain extension is the same thing as TLD or top level domain. And the combination of your domain name and the domain name extension is what makes up the thing that people have to put into their browser to reach your web page or web service. I'm sure you know this already, but can you tell me what the most popular domain extension is? Yeah, that's correct. .com is still by far the most popular extension, or TLD. So my advice for you guys is, and probably will be for the foreseeable future, is when you start up a new business or when you start up an affiliate site or doing a web service or a blog, always look for the .com extension, even if it means having a bit of a more awkward domain name, because building a brand on something else that is not .com could be a bit tricky when it comes to valuation and selling the business and all that. Especially when you try to do domaining and domain flipping, focus at least in the beginning on .com domain names, because those are more easy to evaluate and they have a higher sort of business around them, so it's easier to sell if you are in the position that you need to sell your domain, and usually get a lot of more money for your .com domains. And what kinds of extensions are there? Well, basically, to keep it simple, we can divide the domain extensions or TLDs in two separate types. One is the generic type, and these types are not for sort of connected to a specific country. They're more generical, and examples of this are .com, .org, .net, and a bunch of others, but those three are the most commonly known. And the other type would be the country code extensions. These are sort of meant to be used for specific countries. Of course, you can put up content not tied to a specific country and sort of try to be ranking for global websites or English-speaking websites, but I would prefer to see you guys using like .ca for a Canadian-specific website, or .se for myself in Sweden. And another example is for UK, you usually go with the .co.uk. So in the beginning of internet, there were basically only .com, .org and .net available as a generic domain extension. But these days, anybody with enough money could purchase and start up their own TLD. As you probably have noticed the last couple of years, there are like .io, .this and .that and .whatever coming each and every week, more or less. So if you have money, you could actually start up your own TLD or domain extension. But still, like I said in the beginning, .com is king of domains so far. And yeah, that's it. So now you should have a good understanding of what we mean when we say domain extension or TLD. Yeah, it's just the sort of last part of the domain name. That's what the domain extension is. So, have a great day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you aren't subscribed yet, please consider doing so by clicking the button for subscription. Any questions, I ask you to put them in the comments below. And have a great day. Bye.